Shalom, shalom, family. Welcome back to News with Ball. We already know praise the Lord. It's a cool shalom. Everybody celebrating. It's a cool feast of tabernacles and all that. But I just wanted to go make a little video, show the area where we at. Palm Village area. Palm Village. Old Bagamoyo Road on a Sunday. Not too much traffic. Everything good. It's the Palm Village shopping mall that I was just showing. And I'm staying in this area pretty much. This has been one of the first areas I came in and seen, and I like it. So just walking around, see the parking lot, the Bajajis right here. Definitely gonna take some video of us riding the Bajaji. Got my little Bajaji driver, the boulders, motorcycle riders, and like you say, little food places. It's a lot around here. A lot of reasons why we like this spot. Area, but it was a good area to come to get acquainted with Mickochini, this area, Mickochini area, and Dar es Salaam. It's just one city, one little area in Dar es Salaam. So yeah, just looking at the road a little bit before we get ready to go inside, and yeah, look at the house. Let me show you guys the crib right quick. Well, we secooting at this year. It's like we moving. Yahuah always bring us out. Seems like at the same time we got right here, got the good street food right here. Come get something to eat anytime, day or night. Pretty much they open all day. We're gonna definitely check this out later on. A lot of good halal food. See, good juices or whatever. There's a lot of stuff right here in the area where we at. So yeah, it's a lot of convenience right here. I think these buildings right here, people really use these as like Airbnbs instead of this apartment complex right by the beach. So the beach right there on the other side. So we're gonna get a chance to go to the beach another day, another video. We're going to another beach probably. This is my little compound. Security mumbo. Yeah, see right there on deck. See on deck. Yeah, you already know. So it's a nice little decent compound place where we renting our little property at. Just got here 15 days now. It's amazing. Praise Yahuah. We came and arrived here like first day of the 7th month on the day before Teruah, and then just had a chance to get ourselves acclimated to the area and stuff like that. Get around, and yeah, this is this Palm Bay area. Like I said, it's our apartment. It's our little B&B. A lot of people want to see.
We're in Tanzania.
Yeah, say shalom.
Shalom.
Shalom. Let's see. Alright. And yeah, I'm gonna show everybody a quick little tour of the unit. What something like this look like over here. A lot of people interested or just curious. So this is like a decent apartment, 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom, came fully furnished, the desk, everything. Besides the few electronics I put over there, the shelf. Cut the lights on. The dining room, and yeah, let's go to this way inside. Windows, nice windows, drapes, all that. And then this way, we got the kids' bedroom and first bathroom right here. So yeah, nice decent bathroom, kids, sink. Yeah, this African, Tanzanian, hot water, all of that, you know, shower, all of that. And toilet. Kids' bedroom.
Girls' bed. Boys' bed.
Double bed. We got
A desk.
we got some of the place for storage, clothes, all of that. We got dresser, mirror, clothes, everything. Everything.
Can we head to the beach?
Everything. Yeah, we gotta show everybody the beach. So many beaches. Today we gonna go, it's a beach right behind us now. And this the beach I usually been going to, but it's another beach, just the kitchen. Yeah, refrigerator, cupboards, storage, everything.
We got the laundry room.
Everything. Got a well purifier, more cabinets, more cupboards. Bottles of water that we use. Laundry room, wash machine, ironing board. It's outside. Yeah.
Is that
A laundry room, kitchen, come out of the kitchen, storage closet, another space to put more
stuff?
stuff, suitcases or whatnot.
And bathroom.
Nice bedroom, master bedroom.
Hard bed.
Yeah, nice hardwood furniture, windows, drapes, air conditioning, everything, hot water heater, everything, tub, everything, tile wall, everything. Toilet. Cut that line off, please. Yeah, so this is nice. 2-bedroom, nice apartment. And this works for us. This is a family of 7, but we stay in the 2-bedroom. Oh yeah, we in the 2-bedroom, and nice apartment complex in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. We got a balcony. Got clothes drying on the porch. We got chairs on the balcony.
Holly.
Yeah, so, and the beach is like right over there next to the other compound. So we're gonna walk over there. I just wanna make a short video of the area and just
I want to show the beach.
I cook this year at this point.